Welcome back to the show. Today we are going to meet a particularly bad dog. Her name is Twigs. Twigs is a self-proclaimed goth. You guys ever heard of goths or gothics? We're going to meet her in a few, but let's bring out her mom first. When did you first realize something was off with Twigs?
Twigs used to be such a good and pretty daughter, but now she loves anarchy. And the other day, I found this under her bed. She doesn't even have a record player.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, what do you think, guys? Should we bring Twigs out? Twigs, come on out. Does she look like a bad girl or what? Twigs, what do you have to say for yourself? Well, Twigs, your mom doesn't know this, but we are about to surprise you with a glamorous makeover. How do you guys feel about that?
We're gonna make you pretty again, Twigs!
Twigs is gonna go from Beetlejuice to Pretty in Pink when we come back. Stay with us. Are you excited to see your new daughter? Yes. All right, let's bring out Twigs. What do you guys think? All right, Twigs, what do you think of your new makeover? I think Twigs is ready to go out into the world and meet a nice young terrier. Thank you so much to Dre and Twigs for being here today. Remember to be unique, be yourself, but above all else, fit in. Thanks, everybody. Does your pet practice Satanism or witchcraft? Do you know the signs? If so, call me. Because your pet sounds cool as fuck, and I'd like to take their photo.